So the next equation that we're going to be doing is we're going to be factoring this polynomial using the AC method. The equation that we're going to be using is minus 8x cubed minus 18x squared minus 4x. Like I said, we're going to be using the AC method for this one, and regardless of whichever method you use, the first thing that you always want to do for every polynomial is try to find it and see if there's a GCF. With this one, you can factor out a GCF of minus 2x. That will give you the new equation of 2x times in parentheses 4x squared plus 9x plus 2. Like I said, we're going to be using the AC method in this. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking the 4x squared and multiplying it by the plus 2, giving us an 8x. Now what we need to do for this is we need to find all the factors of 8x that could give us the 9x in the middle. So the factors of 8x are 1 and 8 and 2 and 4. So we're going to be using the 1 and 8 since 1 and 8 adds up to 9. And that will give us an equation that looks like 4x squared plus 8x plus x plus 2. Now personally what I like to do is I'll take and draw a line after the second variable. That way I know exactly where I'm going to be putting my parentheses. And that also shows when you get down whether you're going to have, for the second set of parentheses, a positive or a negative sign. So you're going to go down and you're going to drop it down, and you're going to be able to factor out a 4x from the first set of parentheses, and you're only going to be able to factor out a 1 from the second set. So adding these two together, that will give you a 4x plus 1, and your common factor will be x plus 2. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take the 4x plus 1 and put it next to the x plus 2, giving you 4x plus 1 and x plus 2 in parentheses. Now what you can't forget after all this is to go back up top and see if you used a GCF. In this case we did. So what you need to do is you need to make sure you always drop down that minus 2x or whatever your variable is at the end, or else it won't be right.